Getting ready to make a quick and easy one pan chicken and cabbage stir fry. It is amazingly delicious. Now, I have some chicken breast tender here that I am going to cut up. You can use thighs or any part of the chicken that you like. I personally like to use the chicken breast, okay? Season it with my Pam's Prep no salt seasoning. Make sure you massage it in well. I'm gonna go in with some cornstarch. Coat it well with the cornstarch. Squeeze just a tad bit of lemon so that you can preserve your color of your carrots. Okay, we're going to add a little avocado oil to the skillet and let it get good and hot. Okay, once your oil gets hot, go ahead and put in your chicken. Kind of separate it, and we just want to let this cook until it starts to get lightly golden brown. Now we're going to add in our onions, garlic, and carrots. For whatever reason, I lost video as I was putting the cabbage in, but I just put it in and stirred it up. We're going to let this simmer until our cabbage is nice and tender. Tender to your liking. If you want your cabbage, on the what I would call mushier side, cook it longer. I like mine to be just about fork tender. So we'll be back. I'm going to go in with just a little bit of cornstarch to thicken up the sauce. I like it more of a gravy type consistency. I'm just going to stir that in and let it continue to cook. Once it starts to thicken up, you can go ahead and cut it off from the heat. Stir in your scallions, your green onions. And finish it off with a little sesame oil. Okay, we are all done. It smells amazing. Wish you all had smell-o-vision and taste-o-vision. I'm serving this over rice, so I just have some rice on this plate. I'm just gonna put some of this right on here in the middle. Oh boy, this smells delicious. Whew. Yes. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today here in my kitchen. Take a second and subscribe to the channel. Let's get to 1.5 million subscribers. Returning subscribers, thank you so much. And channel members, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Look at that dish. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Oh, smells good. I need a fork. Be right back. You can smell the carrots, the cabbage, the seasonings, the oyster sauce, the soy sauce, everything in here. It is amazing. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I'm not gonna even mess up my pretty plate. Oh my goodness, I need to have a little bit of everything. Ooh, it's still steaming hot. Yes, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Ooh, Oh. Delicious. Wow. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Bye-bye.